What's up, ladies and gentlemen? This is David Benjamin from Wellstar Reviews and Healthy While Free. Today I'm reviewing the iRestore helmet. This helmet is a red light therapy helmet with, I think, like several hundred. I think there's 300 or 400 specific lasers under here. So you can see within there, there's a lot of lasers. I mean, even here in the middle section, there's probably, I don't know, 30, 40, 50 just in this little section right here. And then you have the surrounding parts. I got this device because I'm getting older, and the one thing that I've noticed is my widow's peak, right? The widow's peak, the receding hairline on either side. A lot of men get this as they age. I'm 36 years old, just to kind of give you a frame of reference. And also just in general, my hair was getting a little bit thinner. I just noticed it was getting a little bit thinner. So I have, I think, 2 friends that have this. One that's about 46 years old, and the other one is like a year or 2 younger than me. And they both, well, one of them really swears by it, and he seems to use it more. And I've heard really good things about it. So I was like, all right, I'm gonna check it out. So it puts 650 nanometer spectrum of laser light, red light lasers into your scalp. And it comes with this little thing. Once you plug it in, you turn it on, and it's 25 minutes. And the reason it's 25 minutes is because that's sort of where the research is. Once you turn it on, you simply put the helmet on like this and kind of position it. The nice thing is these little pads for your forehead and the back really keep it snug, which I like. I've had a lot of health technology products that go all over the body and they don't really fit well. So this actually does, which I like. And then you just hit the play button right there. And once you hit the play button, it turns on. And as you can see, the red light lasers are going into the scalp. Now, what's important to keep in mind, well, cool thing too, a little bit of a safety feature. If you take it off, it turns off. If you put it on, you have to hit play again. And the reason for that is because these lasers are so strong, they don't want them like in your eyes or anything like that. And that's also why they have this thing here and in the back. So what I like about this is, first thing, just my personal experience with it. I have noticed that when I wear this, I'll feel sort of a heat sensation on my head, just a slight heat sensation, nothing too crazy. And I've noticed my hair get a lot thicker. I've used this for about 1 month now, so quite literally about exactly a month, right around there. And I've noticed my hair is just thicker, right? It's generally thicker. It was thinner when I started, so thicker on the sides, thicker on the top, thicker all over. And then also the real reason I got it, I mean, it's nice to have thicker hair, but the real reason I got it is because I started to get this widow's peak. And now I have these little baby hairs growing here. You can't really see them too well on camera, but I've had these little baby hairs growing in on my widow's peak on both sides that I haven't seen in like 5 years. So I'm like, okay, it's working. And that's really encouraging. I just have to keep doing it. And they actually say, I think it's like 3 months where you really start to see results. So maybe I'll do another video, but 1 month in, I've noticed my hair is definitely thicker all over my head. It's much thicker in general. Top, side, back, everywhere. It's just thicker. Like I can tell by putting my hand through it. It's a little greasy right now too, but it's definitely thicker. And I am really grateful for that. Like my hair is not gonna get thin anytime soon. It's actually thicker, I'm kid you not, it's thicker than it's been in like 5 years. It's absolutely crazy. So this definitely works. If you have baldness or loss of hair, what the red light does is it stimulates your hair growth at the follicle level. So follicles become dormant and dead. Those lasers stimulate that follicle growth to essentially come back to life, which brings more oxygen, more nutrients, and more blood flow to that area. Blood and oxygen bring nutrients. Oxygen brings nutrients. Oxygen is a nutrient, but then also the blood flow as well brings a lot of other nutrients that help it to grow. So that stimulation really, really helps. So I have personally experienced firsthand the iRestore helmet working very, very well. I mean, the thickness I've noticed probably more than anything. The little baby hairs on the sides here, you can't really see it on the video here too well, but I can see it like when I go in the mirror and I look really close. I see these little baby hairs coming in my widow peaks that haven't been there in a while. So it does definitely work. And if you have thinning hair or baldness, male or female pattern baldness, this is something that is going to be far better of an investment than some sort of pill or something that people claim, because red light does stimulate that growth. And I've used many different red lights, by the way. I've used red light for my skin. I've used red light on my wrist. I've used red light in all different sort of facets, lasers and red light, traditional red light therapy. And I've seen it benefit my body in more ways than one. Like red light therapy does work. There's plenty of actual science behind it. So I personally like this. And I also like that it's a one-time investment that you have that you can use for years to come, and other people in your family, friends, things like that can use it as well. So yeah, it's not cheap, but it works incredibly well. And like I said, my hair's thicker than it's been in like 5 years, and my widow's peak is starting to grow back. And I think in 1 or 2 more months, that's gonna come back even more. So I highly recommend the iRestore helmet. And this is, by the way, this isn't even their strongest helmet. Their strongest helmet does cost more. This one's, I think, like $800, but their bigger one, it has I think like double the lasers. So if you really want to get results, get the highest tier product. I got the middle one because, you know, my hair isn't horrible, but I was like, I want to test it. I want to see if it works. So it is thicker, and the widow's peak does help. So it does work. And I'll put the link below. I think there's like I think it's like $50 or $100 off, something like that, the link. So I'll put that below. I'll pin that in the comment section so you can check that out. And yeah, just use it every day. I think I've used it every day except for one day in this past month because I was out of town. Well, not out of town. I was on a little trip that day, kind of out of town, sort of. So yeah, I highly recommend it. It does work. And then another thing I would also recommend to you, a lot of people use chemical-based hair care on their scalp. I found this company, Omega Organics. I've actually ordered stuff from them for years, but they just came out with this shampoo and conditioner, and it has something in it. First of all, if you put a lot of chemicals in your scalp, those chemicals are going to irritate your hair follicles and cause issues and be problematic. You want to put things that are healthy, nutrient dense and based, and nothing synthetic on your scalp, because you want your scalp, just like your skin or anything you put in your body, to be healthy so it stays healthy, right? So the specific thing in both of these, the shampoo and conditioner, the formula is like blue lotus flower, black cumin, amla fruit, bacopa, ginger, which ginger stimulates circulation, aloe vera, which is healing as well, and biodynamic rosemary. Cumin is anti-inflammatory, amla has vitamin C. It's all literally nutrients. Like you could literally eat this shampoo and conditioner and survive. Whereas what you're probably using your scalp now, you'll probably go to the poison center, like you'll call poison control immediately kind of thing. But what I really, really like about in these formulas specifically, if you're looking for healthy hair and a healthy scalp, they infuse it with rosemary carnosic oil. Now, rosemary carnosic oil is something that it's essentially produced from rosemary. Rosemary is really good for hair growth. Like topical rosemary is really good. But specifically carnosic oil is added to both these shampoo and conditioners, which helps your scalp health and follicle health and hair growth. So I highly recommend these as well from Omega Organics. They also have a shower filter, which is really good for removing fluoride, chlorine, all this other junk. And that helps to soften the water and give your scalp and your skin, make it your hair and your skin softer. So I'll put this company below with a discount code, but I found that using this is really helpful, kind of in conjunction with the helmet. And if you just use this once a day for 25 minutes, I use it once a day in the morning. I turn it on, I drink water, I read the Word of God, and it's a great way to start the day to light my brain up, light my scalp up, get the light of the Word of God in me while I'm taking care of my scalp health and brain health. And it just works. I mean, like I said, my hair's thicker than it's been in like 5 years, so I'm super grateful. So I'll put the discount links to this and the shampoo and conditioner right below in the comment section. And if you want to get discounts on more than 30 different health and wellness brands, visit healthywildfree.com/shop. I'll put that link below as well. These are brands that I've vetted as a health and wellness coach. They'll help you stay healthier, gut health, brain health, cardiovascular health, joint health, skin health, hair health, all that kind of stuff. So check out that link below, and I'll see you in the next video. Make sure to have a great day. Bye.